Welcome back to the channel. Today we're excited to present a 23x 36 feet house plan, perfect for small families or couples. Overview. This design includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering a comfortable and functional space. The cozy living area and dining space make it perfect for relaxed family time. Kitchen and utilities. The small kitchen is designed for efficiency, while the washing room and storeroom add convenience and practicality to the layout. Budget. The estimated budget for this house plan is around $30,000 to $40,000, depending on materials and finishes. If you enjoyed this plan, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home designs and budget ideas. Thanks for watching.